Hello, this is Tim West. It is August 26th and 8 o'clock at night, and I'm reviewing the key hidden levels, earnings, support, and resistance levels for you so you can see how they work, how they look, how you can change them. And I have on the screen price line here, and I have it with the couple of extra things that are on here, which I'll delete now so not to confuse you. But I like bars. I'm happy to look at candles as well, but bars are fine for me. What I'm looking at is the Tim West earnings per share support and resistance lines, and you get those by going to the indicators menu, down to key hidden levels, and up to earnings price support. I do have other indicators we can go over on other videos. And this program will automatically draw these triangles around the earnings release date, which is signified with this E in red with the E in the center. It shows you the earnings, as you can see, the estimate, the surprise, the date, and what period it is ending. If you double click on this, you can show the software will draw lines there, which I don't need, different backgrounds, colors, styles, etc. You can change all that you want on here. What else you might want to do is also change it to extend out in time by 3, 6, 9, or 12 months. I like 12 months. You can also make it go longer in a future update, because I think the market memorizes these levels for longer than 1 year. But let's just look at Priceline right now and just see how the market's been reacting to it. Obviously a very highly volatile stock, very high price stock as well, but either way, let's just zero in on, for example, this earnings back in May. This is the day before earnings to the day of earnings release to the day after. So this is the midpoint. You can see how the market pulled back, held this area very nicely, could have been buying against this area, and then a very nice uptrade from here to the previous earnings release back in, when is that? February, where it looks like they beat earnings by quite a bit. And either way, very nice trade, ticks right off that level, comes back. Perhaps you can use other things to fine-tune other entries. A little gap here to work from. Now recently, Priceline has announced their earnings, and the stock has created this resistance level at 1302, and the former earnings level, as we noted, was at 1293, 1294. So just yesterday it went up and tagged that number and backed off. That was on Monday. Today's Tuesday. So even though this market made this nice big outside day, turning around reversal pattern, gapped up, just tagged this key resistance level and is now backing away. I am personally looking for this to move lower, and can draw using the polyline a variety of possibilities for the way that it will trade here. But I'm just going to look for it to drop into this area over the near term. I can change this to a preset blue. You can see this is the toolbar that comes with the polyline. Anyways, you can change it to red. It looks more like pink in that picture, but either way, I'm looking for a trade down here, and my stop is right over the top of this midpoint line here, 1302. So take a look at that one if you can. I've got a whole list of other stocks that are at interesting levels. But I just wanted to show you what this looks like, how you can pull it up, where you find it. The subscriptions are available on a monthly basis and a discount on an annual basis. And again, you find them up here in the indicator window, down to key hidden levels. And you can see the subscription box right here. If you just click on it, it will take you to the billing. But I do not want to do that right now. So let's just... Anyways, that is a nice overview of key hidden levels, earnings, support, and resistance. Thank you. Have a good night.